If you've been trying to upgrade your belief system in order to manifest something new in your business or your personal life without success, then I really, really encourage you to watch this entire video because I'm going to explain why it's not necessary for you to look at the programming within your beliefs to give you the results that you want. If you want to be a part of a thriving spiritual entrepreneur community and dive deep into these subjects and fill the gaps, the music between the notes in your manifesting, business growth, and personal evolution journey, then you'll find a link in the description below. So quite often we're taught that there are limiting beliefs, and beliefs that are limiting are getting in the way of you manifesting what you want. Let's make it very clear. There is no limiting beliefs. There's only beliefs. Each belief vibrates within an octave of consciousness. One octave of consciousness is a set of beliefs. So let's say, as an example, you walk into a room that is the product of that belief. I believe that I'm not good enough. I'm not worthy enough. I'm not good looking enough. I'm not smart enough. Whatever it may be, whatever belief you have, as you walk through that door into that room, you're going to see evidence of that belief playing out. Maybe you see comparison going on. You feel less than. Maybe you want to be bombastic and put yourself forward to more people and come across as overbearing or too much to try and overcompensate. But we don't need to go there. Let's understand that a belief is just a cluster of thoughts and feelings repeated consistently over time that then forms a bond. And an energetic bond within your nervous system and within your psyche then is programmed through the language of the subconscious mind. We're going to put beliefs off to the side, and here's why. If you choose to take new thought actions, new feelings, and new inspired action off the back of the thought and the feeling, then you are naturally going to become a different person. Therefore, the energetic signature that you are expressing as self into the quantum field is going to be raised and now vibrating at a new octave of consciousness. Now, move into that room, that the example that I gave you before. Instead of walking into the room thinking I need to upgrade my belief system, you upgrade yourself. You upgrade your concept of yourself. So if you walk in with shoulders slumped, looking down, or feeling worried or stressed that you're meeting new people, now you stand upright, you prime yourself with the thought and the feeling of having really magical conversations, really aligned, heartfelt, uplifting conversations with people that know, like, and trust you and that get you. Now all of a sudden your energetics are different. So as you walk into the room now becomes an expression of your changed frequency. We didn't have to go to the beliefs and look up what it was doing, how to resolve it, rote learning, new lines of code, and all these sort of things that can feel very slow and very dense. But it also can keep us living in the past, because we're often taught through some of these belief methods to go to the graveyard, dig up the past, leave the past where it is, leave the facts where they are, change yourself. So if you want an upgrade in your life, if you want upgrade in your finances, your business, your client attraction, your results, your love life, upgrade yourself first. You've got two choices. One, take the stairs, which requires physical effort. Two, take the rocket ship. The stairs is the belief. Go through your beliefs. What are they saying? What are they doing? Rote learning new information to try and upgrade yourself. The rocket ship is go straight to the end. Go to the outcomes that you want to experience and install them through your imagination, through guided visualizing, which I teach so profoundly inside my community. Find the link in the description. So that you're now awakening a new concept of yourself. You're now awakening a new reality that is alive, active, and available for you in this moment. So drop your work on beliefs. They can be helpful for some. It's the fastest. It's a quantum bypass. Rocket versus stairs. Take the rocket by installing a new concept. Go to the end. Feel what it feels like. Rinse and repeat that every single day. Every single day. What's it like to have the outcomes that you want? You want that money? Go and live that money now. Be in that money experience. Be that person with that money right now. It does take practice, like anything, but persist until Persist until that which you've born and created within yourself is reflected back to you in the outside world. And if you love this video and you're still with me, then please like and subscribe and share. I'd love for you to help me grow this channel and get more of this message out to more people. I'll see you on the next one.